Let's meet Jacob. For his new home, he wanted to install a smart garage door. So, he called Adams Garage Doors LLC, the top-rated garage door company near his area. Their competent and certified garage door installers came with advanced tools. With expertise, they installed the new door system and provided exceptional services. Jacob was overjoyed to receive such top-notch services at affordable prices. So, like him, are you also looking for a reputed garage door company? Find out more at adamsgaragedoors.llc.com or call directly at 703-623-6766.